So I would expect bigger companies like Plascon, Deluxe, because our companies that are Deluxe, about Plascon, it could be nice if they were to also come to the party. See, expect our companies that are all gold, about cool, so they would December Spanish Gemla. The revenue that is created by Ndebele when it comes to blankets, when it comes to painting, paints and other forms like beadwork. As the younger ones will be able to get employed. From time to time, this is how a blanket is supposed to be worn, and yes, that is true. And we want things in a specific way. But then let us adopt this blanket as well, knowing very well with this blanket here benefits one of us. Omunye wethu uyokuthola okuphise kiyo. Ezinye zinasizithengayo sike satholani. Asitholi litho. So ngiyabawa Ndebele asibambisaneni into esinayo la ku-tourism yileyo amanye ama-companies akhonako nawo angasondele Plascon, All Gold, Deluxe, njalo ama-company awenziwa incama angikwazi ukuthi yini njalo. Asibeni nenyathelo kuneteke elinye which is as an exhibition in Dubai. La kwalwa liyimali engangemali mara uthola ukuthi thina amaNdebele sithole okuncane kulokho. Enye into ezongibawa abantu bomculo, artwork, wall painting, umgwalo njalo. Please, let's have our regulations. Uthola ukuthi i-bicycle leya uma uzoyibiza mhlambe athi 5 rand. Mara uthola ukuthi omunye next door uyibiza 4 rand. Bese kuba nomunye ngenxa yendaba athi i-1 rand. Manje asibambisaneni Ndebele. Asibambisaneni ukuthi abantu bangaphandle abafikako basithole isihlelekile sine order and then kube nama regulations. There were Aboriginal people in Australia, the native Aboriginal people, abantu abanzima be-Australia. What they do with the artwork and Aboriginal artwork can only be done by the Aboriginal people. So Ndebele artwork can only be done by Ndebele speaking people. But once we then say, Ndebele, since you are Mundu, Ndebele was told Ndebele since you were Makosa or Maswali. Actually, Mkadi so is Ndebele. Ndebele asenziwe Ndebele. Bakwenzilo kwabanyamazwe into engiyijobule. Izabika Tomingati. eKenya kunamaMasai. The Masai have their own regulations on everything that is Masai. Abantu beFrance bane champagne. Champagne can only be called champagne nangabe yenziwe eFrance. So into eyenziwe kwaNdebele ngiyo kuphela iNdebele artwork. Enye yenziwe kwamanye amazwe akusiyisikhethu. Isikhethu ngilesi esenziwa la. Ngiyathokoza.